The Markdown style setting lets you customize the CSS used in VS Code's built-in Markdown preview. Here, for example, I have the VS Code 149 release notes. And if I go and open them in the Markdown preview, just by clicking on the little preview icon up here, or using Control-K and then V, or Command-K and then V on Mac, you can see that I get the default styling in the preview. So this looks fine, but in some cases you might actually want to customize the CSS that's being used over in the preview. For example, you might just have a preferred style, or you might actually be publishing the Markdown to somewhere that is going to be rendered in a specific way, and you want a better representation of that. That's what the Markdown styles setting allows you to do. So I'm just going to close the preview here for a second. And here's the actual CSS that I want to use to render my release notes. So I have this in-products release note file. You can see that this is also stored in the workspace. I'm just going to copy the relative path to this file by right-clicking on the tab, and then saying copy relative path. And then I'm going to open up my settings with Control comma or Command comma, go to my workspace settings because I only want to customize the Markdown styles for my current workspace, and search for Markdown styles. So the Markdown style setting here is a list of relative paths to CSS files that should be used inside of the Markdown preview. I'm going to go here and add item, and then I'm going to paste the relative path that I copied from before, and I'm going to say OK. So now you can see that I have a new Markdown style. All the Markdown previews are going to try to load this relative path for any whenever they are loaded. So if I go back to my release notes here and I go and open the Markdown preview, again, you can use Control-K and then V or Command-K and then V to do that. You can see that sure enough, now my release notes have the nice impact font here, so they have much more impact. And if I go over to my release notes CSS, you can see that sure enough, that font family is coming from the CSS file that is actually stored in my workspace. Again, the Markdown style setting is probably most useful if the Markdown in your repository is going to be published to a specific website where it's going to be rendered with a specific set of styling, and you want the in-product preview that VS Code offers to also match that styling. So that's a quick look at the Markdown style setting for VS Code.